The Paklink software controls the quantity of padding material provided by Storopack's AIRplus dispenser, Ergofeed, or any other PAPERplus machine. In combination with the AIRplus cushion dispensing system, the software calculates the number of air cushions each package requires. In conjunction with a PAPERplus machine, the software calculates the length of a paper pad and controls the machine using a pulse length. Paklink calculations are based on data transmitted via a barcode scanner, which reads a barcode that indicates the fill volume of the box and is located on the side of the box. Once a box has reached its position, the calculated quantity of padding is provided. The Paklink void reading system is compatible with all PAPERplus machine systems, as well as the new AIRplus dispenser and AIRplus Ergofeed systems. Automation of packing processes, calculation of packing material quantity via barcode, increased packaging quantity, cost control through process optimization. Storopack's intelligent Paklink void reading system.